Understanding collision warning, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, collision warning. Understanding such phrases is crucial in both everyday conversation and specific contexts like driving or technology. So, let's dive in and discover the meaning and usage of collision warning. Collision warning is a compound noun, made up of two words, collision and warning. A collision refers to the act of two or more objects hitting each other with force. It's commonly used to describe accidents involving cars, trains, planes, or even celestial bodies like asteroids. Warning, on the other hand, is a statement or event that indicates a possible or impending danger, problem, or other unpleasant situation. When combined, collision warning refers to an alert or notification designed to prevent a collision. This phrase is often used in contexts where safety is paramount. In technology, in the realm of technology, especially in automotive and aviation industries, collision warning systems are crucial. These systems use sensors and software to detect potential hazards and alert the driver or pilot. For example, in a car, a collision warning system might beep or flash a light on the dashboard to inform the driver that they're too close to another vehicle. In everyday language, while the phrase is technical, it's also used in everyday language. For instance, you might hear someone say, "I received a collision warning on my car today. It saved me from a potential accident." Here, the phrase is used more casually to describe a safety feature in action. Understanding phrases like collision warning is important for English learners because it helps in 1. Comprehending safety instructions. Whether you're driving a car or using a new piece of technology, knowing these terms can be crucial for safety. 2. Enhancing vocabulary. Learning such phrases enriches your English vocabulary, especially in technical and specialized contexts. We hope this explanation of collision warning has been informative and helpful. Phrases like this are not just vocabulary but keys to understanding context and culture in the English language. Stay tuned for more videos where we decode such interesting phrases. Happy learning and stay safe.